MIT researchers develop an AI model that can detect future lung cancer risk. The name Sibyl has its origins in the oracles of ancient Greece, also known as Sibyls, feminine figures who were relied upon to relay divine knowledge of the unseen and the omnipotent past, present, and future. Lung cancer is the No. 1 deadliest cancer in the world, resulting in 1.7 million deaths worldwide in 2020, killing more people than the next 3 deadliest cancers combined. In this case, it's important to know that if you detect lung cancer early, the long-term outcome is significantly better. Your 5-year survival rate is closer to 70%, whereas if you detect it when it's advanced, the 5-year survival rate is just short of 10%. Sibyl takes the screening a step further, analyzing the LDCT image data without the assistance of a radiologist to predict the risk of a patient developing a future lung cancer within 6 years. Co-author Peter Mikhail, an MIT PhD student in electrical engineering and computer science, and affiliate of Jameel Clinic and the MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSL, likened the process to trying to find a needle in a haystack. We found that while we, as humans, couldn't quite see where the cancer was, the model could still have some predictive power as to which lung would eventually develop cancer, he recalls. Co-author Leisha V. Sequist, a medical oncologist, lung cancer expert, and director of the Center for Innovation in Early Cancer Detection at MGH, says the results the team achieved with Sibyl are important because lung cancer screening is not being deployed to its fullest potential in the US or globally, and Sibyl may be able to help us bridge this gap. Moreover, many patients diagnosed with lung cancer today have either never smoked or are former smokers who quit over 15 ago, traits that make both groups ineligible for lung cancer CT screening in the United States. Women non-smokers are more likely to be diagnosed with lung cancer than men who are non-smokers. Globally, over 50% of women diagnosed with lung cancer are non-smokers, compared to 15 to 20% of men. Follow AID for more fascinating news and updates. Thanks.